Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be working on reassembling my car. Last week I got the car unmasked, cleaned up all the overspray, and I worked on painting some of the old parts just to kind of complement the new paint job. Cleaned up a couple little odds and ends that are going to go back on the car. So as fun as that sounds, it's got to get done. I got to put everything back so I can get this thing back on the road. So I'm going to just get started right now, front to back, and just knock everything out. This week's video is brought to you by LCOBMW. Shop our site for Corvette performance parts. We now have our new D.I.Y Cat Delete pipes back in stock, our new test pipes, and we now have a new version of our hose kit available. This is for 88 to 91. This includes a fitting that you can hook your hose directly up to the hose that's on your car on the firewall. So check out the link in the description or visit LCOBMW.com. All right, so I just finished up the front. It's actually looking like a car again, finally. So now I'm gonna do the rear wheel wells and then get onto the taillights. So pretty much got it back together. There are still a couple things I have to do. One thing I'm gonna do next week is the weather strip video, installing all that, mainly the whole top section, obviously around the windows, the targa, and the back glass. After that, I just have to do a couple more things, like put the doors back together and put the new seals on top of the doors that run along the glass there. Other than that, we're almost done, and then we'll get into cutting and polishing this thing. So if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.